How to fix GCash developer option detected problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix the developers option detected on GCash. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. So the very first thing you want to do is try to open GCash, and as you can see, I've installed GCash here, but it's saying that the device developer option is detected and it's crashing immediately, so I'm not able to continue to the app. So if I just tap on OK, the app keeps closing by itself. So in this case, what you're going to do is turn off the developers option on your phone. So go ahead and open up your phone settings and find GCash app. Now you're going to go ahead and force stop the app first, because if it's running on the background, it's probably not going to work. So it's a good method to force stop the app. Now once you open up your settings, scroll down all the way to the bottom and find your developers option. Just tap on it and then turn off your developers option. After doing this, now if I try to go ahead and open up my app, it should let me do my GCash account. So if I just open up the app here, as you can see, the app is not showing me the previous error anymore. So I'm just gonna OK, and now it's directly take me to my login page. So after doing all of this, you should be good to go. So as you can see, I'm able to continue to my account without any problem. If you found the tutorial helpful, leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.